In this video, I am going to show you how you can fix if your ringtone or alerts is not increasing or decreasing with the volume buttons. So without wasting any time, let's get started. But before that, if you're new to our YouTube channel, then hit the subscribe button now for future videos. Now let's back to the video. First of all, go to settings. Then go down here, search for sound and haptics. Click on this. And here at the top you will see when I press the volume up button or volume down button, the ringtone and alerts are not changing. But after I enable this option change with buttons, now whenever I just volume down, it will change with that. Whenever I just volume up, it will change also with that. And this is the easy way to do it. If you want that your ringtone and alerts with same as the volume, so this is the trick and this is the way to do it. If you have any question, comment down below. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.